Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok app not opening or crashing on iPhone. First of all, force and close the TikTok app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and swiping it away. Next, you are going to update the TikTok in App Store. Go to the App Store, search for TikTok and see if there is an update button available. If there is, then make sure to update your app to the latest version so it runs smoothly and stops bugs from entering on your device. Next, turn off low power mode if it's on by going to your settings, search for battery, and then make sure to turn off low power mode. Now, if the app still crashes, you should delete and reinstall TikTok. Safety tip: backup drafts or videos you haven't posted before reinstalling. Quick fix: use TikTok in Safari temporarily if the app remains unstable. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.